Hey guys, this is Tom from Virtual Tours Creator, and I'm making this video because of the overwhelming amount of phone calls that we receive. And I'm very sorry, but I can't talk to each and every one of you immediately. Although, please leave your message and I will call you back to explain everything as quickly as I can. But that's why I'm making this video, because I know you want to get started as soon as possible. So please listen to it and you will exactly know what's going to happen, how it all looks like. In this video, I'll tell you what equipment do you need to make a virtual tour, how we will train you, how easy it is to create virtual tours yourself by using Virtual Tours Creator software. And if you don't want to wait for our cameras, what other cameras you can get, and what are the expected delivery times for our cameras. So let's start now. To create a virtual tour, you need a 360 camera. You'll get one of these from us, either orange or black one, depending on availability, but you can use any other 360 camera. You need a tripod or a monopod. That's also, you're gonna get a monopod or tripod depending on what we're gonna have available. You need to put the camera on the tripod and put it in the middle of a room. You will operate the camera using your mobile phone, and you will just leave the room. You will see on the phone preview what the camera can see, and you will just press the buttons like if you were taking selfies. The camera takes a photo of a room in 1 second, so you can shoot a 3-bedroom house on average in 15 minutes. If you walk fast, you can do it in 10. Once we're going to send you the camera, you're going to get a series of training videos from us where we're going to tell you how to turn on the camera, how to connect it to your phone, and how to take the photos. We're going to ask you to take 4 or 5 photos of your office or any property, and you're going to upload them for free to our portal, and you're going to see a video also on how to create an account on the portal. Once you upload the photos, I will be able to see them, and then I can give you or any team member from your office who took the photos a phone call, and we're gonna do the final 20-minute training over the phone where I'm gonna explain how to position the camera properly around the house. It's very important to shoot the hallways because people have to see how the tour flows to understand the house. So you can't forget about the staircases or the hallways. And once we do that, we're also going to talk about a little bit about exposure. If the house is too dark, how to brighten up the photo before you're going to take it, or how to dim down the light when you are outside. It's really easy, and after those 20 or 30 minutes, you're going to be ready to go and shoot.